What's going on, people? Today we are going to talk about business lines of credit. Share a little bit about what is business line of credit, and then we're going to get into the video because I want everybody to understand how powerful this is if you use it the right way. So, as y'all know, I am a real estate investor, right? And most guys that are real estate investors, when you first start up, you're using your own money, right? And obviously I was one that, yes, I used my own money in the beginning for the down payment. But as you become more advanced and you start getting more properties, you start realizing that you actually want to keep your money, right? You don't want to keep spending your money. You want to, figure out a way of using other people's money to make money. That's the goal. So, of course, I have a business, I have an LLC. I established business credit. I established opening up a business account, right? But, the rent goes into that business account. Right now, I am working on building my portfolio so that way I can be able to get a business line of credit. And what a business line of credit is basically, it's a credit that's stored, but let's say they give you 50K, right? So you see here it says minimum loan 10K, maximum loan 500K, right? But let's just start small numbers. Let's say they give you 50K of a business line of credit, and you may want to use 40K of that to put down for a home, to flip, or to buy, whatever you want to do. Well, you don't have to use your own hard-earned money. Does it have an APR that's maybe higher than, does it have a high APR? Absolutely, right? The banks need to make their money some way. So that's why I say you have to use this smart. And the way you will use this is let's say you got to put a down payment of 40 grand. You put down 40 grand, right? And you get a fixer-upper. Now, the fixer-upper, you fix it, you sell it. So you put the 40 grand, fixing it and everything, maybe let's say another 20 grand, right? 60 grand, and you sell it for 100 grand. Well, now you just got back 40 grand. So what do? You got back 40 grand plus obviously the money that you took out, right? So you got to pay back, of course, the money that you got from the business line of credit, which is the 40 grand. You pay that back. If you use your own money, then you get your 20 grand back. If you used another card or something else that's not your money, you pay that back, right? The 20 grand. But let's say with interest and everything, maybe another $5,000 came with that, right? So in total, you actually profited. You walked away with 35. Let's say worst case scenario, interest is $10,000. Well, you walked away with 30K. So I just want you to understand, the moral of the story is, if you do it in a smart way where you're getting an investment back, you're getting a profit back, then it's worth it, right? If I'm getting a house, I'm renovating it, and I sell it, and it takes me 6 months, let's just say, right? 6 months to fix it, renovate it, sell it. It took me 6 months to make 30 to 35K. I'm not going to complain with that. So, definitely use it to your advantage. But let's get right back into it. This video is based off of KeyBank. It is not in all states. I'm in New York, so that's why I'm able to go into this bank and be able to get a business line of credit. Now, before I get the business line of credit, I have to build a relationship with this bank, right? So I did my homework, I did my research on everything whatsoever with every bank that allows a business line of credit. And this bank caught my eye, one, because yes, it is in New York, and two, I'm able to open the bank account, right? So I'm opening a bank account and a savings account. I'm gonna put money into the bank account, and I'm able to request the business line of credit right there and there with a soft pull. Not only just the business line of credit, I believe they do offer you a credit card too. It's a soft pull. So for me, I feel the reward is there. As far as, I don't really want the credit card. I got 2 business credit cards right now that I'm working on, which is the Chase Inc. business card, and I also have the US Bank business card. So I'm working those up with increases. But as far as right now, my focus is getting a business line of credit, right? So if it comes with it, it comes with it. I'll take it. But again, this is a no doc. And the way you get a no doc is you have to request under 50K. If you say I want 55K, you say you want 51K, they will require docs. Okay, so that's very important. Make sure if you want to do this hack that you are not requesting over 50K, right? So when I go into the bank and I say, hey, I would like the no docs business credit line, right? And of course they're gonna say, sure, how much would you like? And I'm gonna say basically 48. I want 48. I would like 48. It may not give me the whole 48K, right? So, you know, and I'm okay with that. If they're able to give me 30K, I know I could do something with 30K. So that's the whole goal for me. I hope this helps you out with whatever goal you have, right? So you could use this business line of credit as far as, let's say you're doing trucking. You want to get a box truck. You know, you don't want to use your own funds. You could find a used box truck for like 40K. So you could pull it out, not use your money, make money, and then pay the 40K back as you make profit with the box truck. Or if you're thinking about vending machines, right? You could buy vending machines. You could get like 3 vending machines, 4 vending machines, 5 vending machines, and you could, you know, put them places and let them pay themselves off. So this is the kind of hacks that you will want to be doing, so that way you don't get stuck in a jam and you don't get stuck with paying a high bill or high interest, right? So most of the time with these credit lines, the interest runs anywhere from like 8% to maybe like 15%. You know, I'm not saying it's a crazy killer, but you know, they run around that price. So my okay price for a business line of credit would be like 10%, 11%. I'm okay with that. If I'm gonna do a flip and I know, hey, if I'm doing a flip and I'm able to walk away with 15K, 10K, let's just say the worst case scenario, 10K, I'm still gonna take it out because I'm still able to walk away with some type of money, right? Which will help me do something else in the future. So, you know, just, you know, choose wisely on what you're doing with this money. I know what I'm going to be doing with this money, and it's obviously grow more, so that way my business could really start bringing in that income for those big high limits, whereas, you know, they ask for documentations and you could go inside of a bank confident and be like, bow, here, like this is what I make. You know, I make 10 bands, I make 20 bands every month. So that's what I'm working on, you know. So I definitely hope this video helped y'all out. Again, please leave comments below. Tell me what y'all think about this. If y'all like, you know, videos like this, or do you want something different, or do you want actual videos of houses, right? So like right now I'm in the process of getting a house. So let me know, you know, I might make a video of the house that I get and do a tutorial on it. But just let me know what y'all like. Do y'all like business? Do y'all like real estate? Do y'all like credit cards? Anything y'all like to know, I will make a video on. Peace and love.